morning everyone. Today I am Anushka Charan from class 7B. Today I stand here to conduct the morning assembly. The topic of morning assembly is Energy Conservation Week. In 14th December, Energy Conservation Week is celebrated and organized in every year by Bureau of Energy Efficiency BEE under Minister's Power with aim to showcase India's achievement in energy efficiency and conservation while working for its addition to holistic development as part of the nation's all effort towards climate change mitigation. At last, there are three reduce your energy conservation points. First point is use a power strip to reduce your plug load. Second point, use LED bulbs are the most energy efficient lighting option. Third point, shut down your computer. Computer are some of the biggest energy users in offices, buildings, hospitals, and etc. Thank you.